Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Construction sector under attack. Cyber threat actors have been observed targeting the construction sector by infiltrating foundation accounting software, according to Huntress. The software's default credentials allow attackers to brute force login attempts and gain access to MS SQL servers, which can then be used to run arbitrary shell commands. Thousands of hosts running the software were found to be publicly accessible with default credentials, leaving them vulnerable to attacks. To mitigate risks, it is recommended to rotate default account credentials, cease exposing the application over the public internet if possible, and disable the XP_CMD shell option where appropriate. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Ravi Lakshmanan. Threat actors linked to North Korea have been using poisoned Python packages to deliver malware called PondRAT as part of an ongoing campaign. The malware is a lighter version of PondRAT, a known Mac OS backdoor previously attributed to the Lazarus Group. The attackers upload poisoned packages to PyPI and trick developers into downloading them. Once installed, the packages execute an encoded next stage that runs Linux or Mac OS versions of the RAT malware. PondRAT has capabilities to upload files, pause operations, and execute arbitrary commands. Cyber news number 3. Microsoft has revealed that a financially motivated threat actor known as Vanilla Tempest has been targeting the healthcare sector in the US using a ransomware strain called INC. The attack begins with bootloader infections and proceeds through lateral movement via remote desktop protocol and Windows management instrumentation to deploy the INC payload. Cyber news number 4. Phishing campaigns abuse. Refresh entries to deliver spoofed email login pages. Cybersecurity researchers have warned of ongoing phishing campaigns that use refresh entries in HTTP headers to deliver spoofed email login pages designed to harvest users' credentials. The attacks, observed between May and July 2024, target large corporations in South Korea, government agencies, and schools in the US and others. Over 2,000 malicious URLs have been associated with the campaigns, which are characterized by the delivery of malicious links through header refresh, URLs containing targeted recipients' email addresses. The attackers use legitimate domains to propagate phishing attacks, making them difficult to detect. Cyber news number 5. Until just a couple of years ago, only a handful of IAM pros knew what service accounts are. Service accounts, silent non-human identities, NHI, in Active Directory, AD environments, have become a lucrative target for attackers. Compromised service accounts play a key role in lateral movement in over 70% of ransomware attacks. The disparity between the exposure and impact of compromised service accounts and available security measures to mitigate this risk is alarming. Service accounts are used for machine-to-machine communication, and their compromise enables attackers to access and execute malicious payloads on multiple machines. Despite being beyond the scope of most security controls, including MFA and PAM, these accounts can be protected with unified identity security platforms like Silverforts. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.